Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. If you are new to the channel, my name is Ballo.trades and I document my journey to become a successful forex trader here on YouTube. So I would appreciate it if you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and click on the notification bell to notify you guys when I'm dropping another video. So hey man, let's get into it. So welcome to day 4, I think. Yeah, day 4 of me growing $10 into $1,000. So I'm not gonna literally grow $10 into $1,000. I'm gonna use what we call prop firms. If you guys don't know what prop firms are, y'all better go do your research. So I'm gonna grow that $10 so that I can afford to buy a prop firm challenge, so that I can receive a payout on that account. See what I'm saying? So in hindsight, I'll be basically turning $10 into $1,000. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, this is me documenting everything in between, right? Every loss, every profit, man. I'm not hiding anything. I know this kind of content lacks on the YouTube space, especially in this kind of industry. People don't really post their losses, right? I post my losses and I get quite criticized, but yeah, man, it doesn't matter because this is the reality of it. You know what I'm saying? So today's Sunday, by the way, and I'm about to show you what happened last week. And last week was kind of rough. For you guys who saw my last episodes, last week was kind of rough. Last week it was bad. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, it was bad. I don't even know why I'm laughing, but it was bad, right? I'm just about to show you right now. Let me show you guys. So this is my trade capture journal. This is where I capture my trade, right? So this was the trades from last week, starting from the 6th of January to the 10th, right? Took 5 trades, right? As you can see, all of them being a loss, right? All of them being a loss. After I took this loss on Wednesday, I was like, you know what, bro? Let me just stay out the markets for the rest of the week because my mind isn't in the right state for me to continue trading because I couldn't take any further loss than this one. So last week, we started off good. As you can see here, we started off good, right? Okay, this is a loss, then this profit which covered that loss, and this loss and another profit. So the first week of me doing this challenge started off good, right? I was kind of overconfident, not gonna lie, but yeah, that's a problem I need to fix. Then the following week, the market showed me flames. As you can see, we took a loss on USD JPY, took a loss on GBP JPY, took a loss on on GU, EJ, then on Euro Chef, right? Then after this one, I was like, you know what, bro, let me just chillax and stay out the market and try to review my trades and what's happening. You know what I'm saying? So these were the trades that I took. As you can see, started from Euro JPY. As you can see, Euro JPY over here, right? Then followed by, yeah, man, all of this, because the USD Chef one was the $100, which was this one, right? So all of this 5 trades is all of these 5 trades. You know what I'm saying? So yesterday was bad. I mean, last week was bad. Last week was bad to a point where I literally gave back my profits plus my original deposit, right? So I'm trading in my local currency, which is rand, right? So 200 rands is equivalent to $10, roughly so, right? So I lost 50% of my account. So I'm sitting on like 100 rands. I don't know in dollars how much. Think $5. You know, think it's $5. So as you can see, I just want to show you my trading account. As you can see, I don't know, focus. Yeah, it's $10 basically. I mean $5. No. So this week is Sunday. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very optimistic about this coming week. Hopefully we can recover some of the losses we took and recover the profits that we gave back. But yeah, man, without any yapping, guys, today's Sunday. I need to get my rest, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. Yo, good morning, guys. So it's the next day, which is Monday. It's currently 9:33. So I've been up since 5. So I started picking up the camera late, as you can see. So what happened was I woke up, then I went to go for my jog, then I came back, I did the dishes, and I took a bath. And before bathing, I actually analyzed and took a position on NZD-USD. Just a continuation move. I'm just looking for a simple 1 to 2, but then I'll show you guys. Then after analyzing, I paused, and I'm here in my recording, right? So I've been up since 5, right? So yeah, man, Right now we're on recovery mode because, as I said from the previous clip, I've lost like 50% of my initial deposit. So right now we're just working to get that account to break even. That is my goal for the next coming days. You know what I'm saying? So the position I'm in right now, if it hits TP, then it should take me up to my break even point, right? But then I'll show you guys what made me take the trade and all that. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the position that I took here on NZD USD. Where's it? Where's the, okay, as you can see here on NZD USD. So we are currently at break even right now. I took the entry there, and this level is my TP point, then stop loss above. So the TP, let me just show you guys the TP. If it hits TP, as you can see, it's around 104, which will bring back my account to break even. So let me just show you the position. Yeah, so I'm looking for a simple move continuation. So as you can see, we had many wicks at this level, right? We had many wicks at this level. So once price gave me this bullish move, as you can see, this very bullish candle right here, right? I waited for the second candle to see where it closes. If the second candle, as you can see, this bullish candle, let me just put this away. If this bullish candle closed inside, then I wouldn't be interested in the trade. But then since the bullish candle closed below the level, for me it's a signal to enter the market because price has broken this support level. So right now I'm targeting, it's not really 1:2. On here is a 1:2, but then I'll think I'm gonna adjust it like about like 1:4, because I'm looking for price to arrive at this level right here. But then we'll see what the market does. But as for now, I'll just say I'll put it at a 1:2 just to keep it safe. So yeah, man, guys, other than this, I don't see anything interesting on other pairs. And yeah, man, I'll update you guys once something interesting happens. Yo guys, so I just want to talk about something, right? So people in my comments keep on saying that I should focus on only one pair, right? Meaning I should only trade one pair and only one pair alone, right? That makes sense in theory, right? That makes sense in theory. I mean, master one pair, less is more, whatnot. That makes sense in theory, but then realistically, it doesn't make any sense, right? Because every trading instrument has its own market cycle. There's going to be times where the market is very trendy, and there's going to be a time where the market is just consolidating and not going anywhere. That will mean you won't trade, right? That will mean you won't trade for those of you who trade only one pair, right? And if you believe your strategy is dynamic, it's very, it fits all asset classes. Why not trade other pairs if that one of you, like that one that you're trading is consolidating? So if you're telling me that you trade one pair, then the pair is consolidating, that means you're not trading, right? Hence we keep hearing these sayings of January price action is this, January price action is that, oh, Monday is not the best time to trade. No, it's not that Monday is not the best time to trade. It's just that your pair is ass. Your pair is not moving anywhere. It's consolidating, but because you only trade one pair, you start come up with these sayings of, oh, Monday doesn't work, oh, Friday doesn't work, you should only trade Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Some come to the extent where they say Wednesdays are not even trade worthy. I mean, what is that? It's because you are trading only one pair. When that one pair is consolidating, you don't get any trades. Then you start calling price action. You start saying Monday price action is this, January price action is that. You know what I'm saying? And I want to show you guys. I was actually watching this Lembo Raul. He actually said the same thing. Check it out.
my watch list, not just focus on
Here.
2 or 3 different instruments, because when you're focusing on 2 or 3 different instruments alone, there's a great probability that that instrument is probably going to be ranging the majority of the currency pair, if it's a commodity, or if it's even like an ETF such as SPY or QQQ. So, or again, even futures, ES or N.
See what he said, guys. He said if you trade in 3 or 2 currency pairs, there's most likely chances that that 3 pairs are only gonna consolidate, ranging and not going anywhere. I was just mentioning the 1 pair thing because many of my comments keep on saying I should trade 1 pair, which doesn't make sense to me, and this guy actually confirmed it. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Okay, guys, so it's currently hours and hours later. As you can see, it's like almost 6:30 in the afternoon. I think I've updated you guys in the morning, and hey man, this trade has been consolidating along my entry, dog. As you can see, it had 2 attempts of taking me out, but my stop loss was generous enough to accommodate breathing room for the trade. So yeah man, it's not really going anywhere, I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, it's been here, as you can see. But yeah man, I might just wait this out. And yeah man, I'm also watching other pairs like silver. Actually on silver I had a missed position right here, right? Silver I had a missed position, as you can see, right? I was waiting for price to break this low, then take it on the break. And yeah man, I didn't take that trade. I don't know where I was, you know. But yeah man, it is what it is. And I know you might be surprised asking yourself if I trade silver or not. Hey man, as I was saying, as I was watching Lembo Raul explain his things, I realized, guys, currency pairs moves hella slow, right? Currency pairs move hella slow. And yeah man, I'm thinking right now, I think I'm ready to move on into commodities and indices, which is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna implement it in my trading plan and also in my daily watch list, right? So I'm gonna remove almost all the pairs so that I can be left with like 3 currency pairs only, right? Because I want to stop trading currency pairs because of the volatility it has compared to the other instruments, right? So since I'm trading price action happens on every asset class, right? So it's kind of dynamic, right? So I'm thinking of moving into indices and commodities like gold, because I've never traded like commodities ever in my life. Like I've been trading currency pairs ever since I started, you know. So yeah man, currency pairs move hella slow. For those of you guys know, currency pairs move hella slow. So Lembora will said something that was really important. He said you should be looking for asset classes that move like 0.5 to 1% percentage daily move. What do I mean by that? Let me show you guys. What I mean by that, by 0.5 and 1% move daily average percentage, whatnot. As you can see, these numbers here, guys, on the right side of the screen. As you can see here on crude oil, we have 1.9. So this instrument has moved 1.9% for today. Okay, 2% today, right? This one has moved 2.36% today. This one has moved, gold has moved 0.83% for the day, right? Indices, S&P 500 has moved 0.47% for the day. Nasdaq has moved 1% for the 1% for the day, and US state has moved only 0.26. Right now, let's compare these numbers of these commodities to currency pairs. Right, let's see how currency pairs moved. Look at this one, bro. This one was only moved 10%, 9% for the day, for today. Imagine this one 30%, this one 41, this one 0.05. Okay, this one is 0.09, not 5%. My fault. Then this one is 0.37. These move slower compared to these moves, because the numbers here, as you can see, guys, these numbers represent the moves that happened for today, like the percentage move that has happened today. Compare these numbers to these numbers, right? For me, I would like to trade more volatile pairs such as silver, because silver today has moved 2.44 2.44% for today. That's a very volatile instrument, guys. It has moved, like really moved, like convincingly moved, unlike these ones. What I mean by me wanting to trade asset classes that has a bit more volume and a bit more volatility in the market, such as silver. Silver has moved 2% just today, right, compared to other currency pairs, right? So it only makes sense for me to trade volatile pairs since I'm not a beginner anymore. I would advise beginner traders to only stick to forex, currency pairs when they start off, because currency pairs move like it moves normal. Like if you don't understand what you're doing, going to gold won't do you any favor. So if you're starting off, just stick to currency pairs. They move quite nicely compared to other asset classes like gold, Brent, oil, and silver, such things, you know. So yeah, man. Looks like I'm done for today because this trade is on the 1 hour that I took and it's currently consolidating. So at this point, there's nothing I can do, and it's a Monday. So yeah, man, catch you guys tomorrow, or I might end the video here. I don't know, but I'll catch you guys. Peace.